nature, life will find always a way, and with these old paint cans you can also find life in the rainforest. Here you can see the Dendrobates Auratus, the larva. So they found a way to propagate here. Let's see if I can find an individual. Just saw one here. There's one. It had actually a tadpole on its back, so I was just disturbing it, it seems. So I'll leave it alone for now. But it's amazing how nature can find its way in all these conditions. And it's now looking for a body of water to deposit the larvae in.